Happy morning, dear friends. And now you're going to learn Reformation. Okay, so one of the movement. It has happened in German actually. Okay, it is one of the biggest movement which bring a lot of change in entire Europe. Okay, that's more important. So it is in the She book. Okay, it is a social history of England for the UG first year. Okay, the UG first year, the first semester. Okay, it's actually your main paper. Okay, it's a major paper. Okay, good. The Reformation. So the word itself, we have the clear idea. What is it? Reformation. It is Reformation, but we can separate it. This is the Reformation. Okay, Reformation. Just as the intro actually. Then what is the causes because of the Reformation and what happened in England due to the Reformation. Okay, we can see in upcoming classes. But right now, just you seeing this, that's enough for us. Okay, fine. The intro. It started in German actually, and German and the entire Europe. Okay, so first the name, okay, the Reformation is started. Okay, what is Reformation? Reformation is nothing but it's reformation of the church. You know that the church. Okay, the church actually there is Pope is the predominant people. So under the Pope everything come his control. This is why there is a person. His name is actually Martin Luther King. Okay, he is a predominant person. Okay, this is happened. So just to start with this, so it is started in German and entire Europe. Okay, it is actually English it started in Europe, German and entire Europe. It's happened. One more thing, why it happened? Why it has actually there is a kingdoms going on, or there is some rule is going on, but some people is against it. It means something is not good there actually. Am I right? So your life is going is better actually, but suddenly you take a break to go it this way. It means that way is not right. Okay, that is a common knowledge. Okay, that is what in the German there is the authorities of church. Okay, the church people, especially church, the nun, pope, then those people. Okay, those people, it's not good in moral wise. At the same time, in all aspect they are not good. That's the main reason. After that, so which lead the common people feel dissatisfaction. Okay, the common people feel the dissatisfaction because of the church people's doings. Okay, such people doings. Okay, Julius II is the Pope actually. So he planned to destroy Saint Peter's Church and try to construct a new one. Okay, so Julius II is a Pope. He is the person to destroy the church and try to make a new church. Okay, that's happened. Okay, so that is why he tried to collect the fund. Okay, he tried to actually the Julius II actually know that person tried to collect the money from among the ordinary laymen. Okay, they collect the money from the laymen. Okay, the laymen actually getting much struggle to run their life. This has happened even though the Julius II actually tried to earn the money, try to get the money from the people. Okay, that hurt the people lot actually. They are living in a poor condition. Like right now, COVID-19 Corona is going on. You know that the entire world is suffering for all the aspects, especially the financial oriented. Right now, government initiate any thing which affect the society. It means definitely the people have the dissatisfaction of the party of politics. Okay, this has happened. That is what there is happened. After that, Leo X. Okay, Leo X, there is actually the Pope. He is planned to raising the fund to construct a new church like him. So he saying actually the actually there is actually he try to get much money from the people by using the term of forgiveness. Okay, forgiveness, power money. Okay, that is I am going to give you, so you need to pay the money in advance. Okay, that is good. Then only your sin is actually dissolved, sin is actually cleared. Okay, that is what Leo X is saying, that this is why he planned to raising the fund to construct a new church. Okay, so which lead the German people to dissatisfaction. Not only that, the people believe that actually there is no trueness is there actually. That is what some people is raising the questions. At the same time, entire people have the knowledge of raising the question against the church, okay, against the church. This happened where Martin Luther King, okay, Martin Luther King, he is the king actually. So he is against Pope and church, okay, because of this incident. One more thing, he prepared a 95 points, okay, he prepared a 95 points against the church, okay, against the church. Like nowadays, yeah, if you are going to election, you know that where the people are preparing for some agenda, okay, some another agenda, some points about their party, okay, we are going to do this in my time, okay, that is what they are following. That is what here Martin Luther King, he prepared 95 points, okay, he prepared 95 points against the church and the church people. Then he pasted on the church door, okay, this is happened. So this is happened right now. There is a Pope, okay, Pope is the predominant person, he has all the rules and regulations. So he excommunicated Martin Luther King, okay, excommunicated Martin Luther King. So which make Martin Luther's follower, okay, there is some group of people, this means there is some followers there actually, okay, that is what Martin Luther's follower, they following what left by Martin Luther King, okay, what left by Martin Luther King, which is taken by his fellow to initiating this, okay. Before that, one more incident is there actually. The Martin Luther is the first person to break the celibacy, okay, break the celibacy to marry a nun, okay, as a king actually. King is a high position in the society, but he marry a nun actually. It's actually sin one, okay, in some, not only German, in Christianity, if you marry a nun it means a sin, but he break that to marry a nun, okay, which is also unaccepted doing, okay, unaccepted doing. Then he prepared for 95 points, okay, which is also unaccepted doing. This is why the Pope excommunicated Martin Luther King, but which bring a lot of impact in society. So all people raise the question against the church people, okay, how can do this actually, even though he is a man, he has a heart, he has a soul, okay. That is what the people got the knowledge, then raising the question, okay, which is started in England actually, okay. It take place in German, the same incident, but the resemblance is different actually, the aspect is different, which is taken in England, okay. In England there is the greatest king actually, he is Henry VIII, okay. So Henry VIII is there actually. The Henry VIII, his wife is actually Catherine. She is the relative of Charles V, okay, actually she is actually royal blood, okay, royal blood. Here Henry VIII love a lady, her name is Anne Boleyn, okay, Anne Boleyn, he loved actually. One more thing, Anne Boleyn is a maid, okay, is a maid actually, servant, she is a servant. So this is why he planned actually, Henry VIII personal motive, okay, his personal motive, we need to marry a maid, okay. So but he is saying in public actually in a right way, I need to reform the religion, okay, I need to reform the religion, just I focus on the religion. That is what he is using, but actually the reformation is the personal motive of Henry VIII, okay, Henry VIII oda personal motive da real actually. So where he applying for the divorce, okay, he want to divorce his wife, but the Pope, okay, the Pope is the high people, high authority comparing with the king. So the Pope denying that, okay, it's not right way, I couldn't give the approval of that. That is what the Pope strongly said, okay. So where he decided to start Church of England, okay, it means it's a new ideology, bring out the society. It means actually the king is the one next Pope actually, and the king has all the authorities comparing with the Pope, okay. That is what he want to pause some act, okay, an act which is give the power to king, okay, Henry VIII, okay, Henry VIII actually. So Henry VIII married Anne Boleyn, okay, married Anne Boleyn, but he make it as a good one. One more thing, he actually focused on reforming the church and reforming the religion, not people. That is what he shows among the people as a good man, okay, that is what he did. And now Henry VIII passed the Act of Supremacy, okay, Act of Supremacy, which is actually in 1534, okay, that is in 1534, which actually himself the head of the church, okay, that act, the act of supremacy which gives him is a power to the church. Actually he has a power, he has a power over the church, okay, which is give the act of supremacy, that is come in 1534, okay, that's happened. One more thing, his Henry VIII treasury is actually run out, so where he planned to use the money of monasteries, okay, nuns and priests and pope, okay, their money he actually took their money without their knowledge, okay, without their knowledge, even he don't care about them actually, okay, which is make the church people get much affected due to his arrogant activity, okay. But the Henry VIII himself projected himself as a good man among the people. One more thing, he is focused on reforming the religion. That is what he focused it actually. That is what he focused it. Then next act passed with that actually act of 1536, which destroyed 276 monasteries. Okay, just thinking that nun, pope, those people, such church people, okay, there is the church people, those actually nearly 276 people destroyed by the act of supremacy, okay, which is bringing much impact in Catholic church. Not only that, after that shrine of Becket, okay, it has a Canterbury Tales, actually in Canterbury Tales there is a church actually, Thomas Becket, he is also actually killed by the king. So after that there is no monarchy, okay, there is no church people, okay, so the entire England come under the control of Henry VIII, okay, under control of Henry VIII. This is about the Reformation. So the Reformation is initiated by Henry, okay, initiated by Henry VIII. We know that after his fellow, okay, his fellow Edward IV, okay, Edward IV, he actually continues this Reformation. Even Queen Elizabeth also following this. But the Reformation decline, okay, after this is a continue. Then a prayer book, okay, prayer book that is prepared by Archbishop Cranmer, okay, Archbishop Cranmer, actually 1549, okay, 1549, that book is actually prepared. That book is just talking about the Catholic principles, okay, the Catholic principles, especially the old customs, okay, the old idea, the old ideology in that book, which is following after long time. So after the regaining the throne by Queen Mary, okay, Queen Mary, the Reformation decline, okay, the Reformation decline, the Protestantism actually is gone actually, okay, Protestantism gone. One more thing, Queen Mary killed 300 common people, okay, 300 common people after this is actually implemented, after the Catholic is there actually, but the Protestantism swept away by Queen Mary. So the Reformation is gone actually, the reforming Church of England is not there actually. Queen Mary is the actually killed 300 people, that is why his nickname Blood Mary, okay, Blood Mary, that is what the history says, okay. This is about the Reformation. So the Reformation started in German by Martin Luther, not only Martin Luther King, Julius II and Leo X, then Martin Luther King. In England actually Henry VIII, after that Edward IV, then Queen Mary command, the Protestantism is gone away, okay, this is happened. So Reformation is only much focus on Bible, okay. So great Bible writer actually William Tyndale, okay, William Tyndale is the first person to give the Bible to us, actually that's more important to remember. The same time some religious writer is there, John Donne, okay, John Donne, canonization is there actually, George Herbert, Pulley, Andrew Marvell, to his high mistress, okay, these three writers is predominant writer in the time of Reformation. Their writings display the faith of religion, okay, we can find out the religions is there actually, their writings there actually. This is about the Reformation, it is just an intro. We can see the causes of in England, and we can see that what happened in England entirely, okay, we can see in upcoming classes. I am so happy to talk with you. I can meet you in some other classes. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care of you. Thank you.